Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about when I say that I want the instances of colors to be different objects. So right here I kind of have the starting point of my little penguin guy that I gave you guys the model sheets for. Um, if I turn, you can kind of see that none of it is connected. That I have my different viewpoints set up. I have, if I go to the 4 panel view, which is spacebar, or this button over here, so hit spacebar. We got the front view right here. To go into the front view, hit spacebar again with the mouse over it. It's getting pretty close. And the weird part is about this guy. So this one's sitting, so I'm not using this one. This one and this one are just so slightly off. So whenever you're kind of putting it together, don't feel like you have to have it exact. Just more of a reference point for either or. So then we can go into the side and kind of check it. Okay, this is how it's looking from the side. And what I mean is from the front, the beak looks pretty good. But from the side, whenever we pull it over, it's not perfect, but it's similar. Same with the eyes. That's pretty close actually. But so I just wanted to show you guys what I meant by each one of these is a different object, right? So then now I'm going to assign them different colors. So this will be the inside of his fur, which would be white. So I'm going to assign a new material, Lambert or Blinn, whichever you want to do. And then let's go to Lambert 2, or if it brings you to this window automatically. And you can change this to like a white color. And then for this one, for the beak, we're going to assign a new material as well. This one I might do a Blinn because beaks are a little bit shinier looking. Click on the color, and then we can actually use this dropper tool to kind of pick out like an orange in here, kind of like that orange. And then for the eyes will just be black, so we can assign a new material. Those might be a Blinn as well. Color, black. So we have these 3 different parts. I might do a smooth preview, not smooth it out, but smooth preview, just kind of for look's sake. And then bring it over. So let me go into the side view, kind of bring it over like that. And I want for this project for you guys to have the geometry kind of like overlapping, so that way that the parts of the geometry are actually intersecting. So let me see, this might be a little bit too far. So if we bring this out, maybe like that. So I want you to be able to see, I want you to be able to see, if you went into wireframe, which is 4, I want you to be able to see parts of the geometry on the inside of what would be the body. And I want them to all be different instances of color. So, I mean, for these, you could bring these out a little bit. They don't have to be like that. They could be like that, or a little bit further out for the beak as well. Something like that. But I just want every, even for like the black fur for the arms and for the tail and the legs, any instance of change of color, I just want it to be a different object. And this is all gearing up toward our next project where I have you guys create your own individual Funko Pops, where for the printer to actually print them in full color, it has to recognize every different color as a different object, which is a little bit different than how we've been modeling, but I wanted you guys to kind of get a feel for it. So kind of see how this project goes, and then I'll work toward getting those Funko Pop projects for you guys. But yeah, keep working on this, and good luck, guys.